front of me is VIVO Y01 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. Firstly, go into settings and choose Bluetooth and devices. Over here, click on the switcher next to Bluetooth and then click on the Bluetooth itself. Now you need to wait for available devices to show up after clicking per new device. Tap on the one that you wish to connect to. I will go with Motorola and wait for the pop-up. Now select pair and then wait again, but this time for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, you can do that by clicking on this gear icon next to the device and choosing forget. Now confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!